Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we will cover adverbs of frequency. There is a separate playlist on adverbs in English language on my channel, and the link of the same will be available in the description, or you can see in the section of playlist as well. Now, what are we waiting for? Without any further ado or delay, let's get started. Adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency show how often or how many times an action takes place. So whenever that you are talking about frequency, so adverbs of frequency tells us about an action and how often it occurs or how many times that particular action takes place. So to answer a question of adverbs of frequency, how you will find that in a particular sentence a given adverb is adverb of frequency, you will put a question how often. When you get an answer, then that verb is adverb of frequency. Let us have a look at these examples here. She takes her child to the swimming pool every day. How often does she take her child to the swimming pool? And the answer is every day. Similarly, you have another example here. I have seen the Taj Mahal once. I have seen the Taj Mahal once. Let's put that question. How often did you see the Taj Mahal? And the answer is once. So adverbs of frequency show how often action takes place. Let us have a look into some common examples of adverbs of frequency that you could use to describe your action to make your English look fancier than before. So the common adverbs of frequency are never, every hour, daily, constantly, hourly, monthly, often, generally, yearly. So these were some common examples of the same. Let us now understand adverbs of frequency through full-fledged sentences, and the one given before you is I will never shop at this store again. I will never shop at this store again. How often will you shop at this store again? And the answer is never. So never and not are also adverbs of negation, and they are also adverbs of frequency as well. So it tells us about the frequency of a particular action. Let us have a look at another example. The example is the examination is held yearly. So how often the examination is being held? Yearly, right? So therefore adverbs of frequency tells us about the frequency, that how many times an action takes place. It tells us about the frequency or often-ness of an action mentioned in a particular sentence whatsoever. So dear students, this section brings an end to today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. All the important links of the playlist will be linked down in the description box below. Until we meet next time in the next video, keep learning and keep growing.